Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to do a little burn test on our homemade alcohol stove here. And we're going to put it on, put the TI cook set here from Snow Peak on it. And just want to demonstrate some of the different fuel bottles we have here. These are a 2-ounce Nalgene fuel bottle, a 1 or 2 ounce just standard hand sanitizer. We just filled up with fuel, just to demonstrate that you can do that. And this is just a 1 ounce fuel bottle. I'm pretty partial to this. I don't remember where it came from exactly. But as you can see, the fuel is denatured alcohol. It's all tinted blue, just so we can tell the difference between it. And what we're going to do is fill up our small little alcohol stove here, made out of a tin can. And use this homemade windscreen. And in the bottom here we have a can lid for a tree burner here. Move that where everyone can see it. And then in this Nalgene here we've got 2 cups of water. And we're just going to do a boil test. A couple of pennies in the bottom there to put over the stove. And of course our trusty TAD gear spork made out of titanium. So here we go. I'm going to fill this up here with 1 ounce of fuel. Make sure if any drips, it drips onto the tray here. And we're just going to put a little on the tray. Once that starts up, go ahead and put our 2 cups of water in. We'll get this going. That cook-off going. I don't know if you can see those flames or not, but it is definitely going. Now you can see it after I burn my hands. So we're going to go ahead and set that on here. Just like so. One thing I forgot is the penny. There we go. So let's go ahead and time that. I know I'm a little late in starting the timer, but time it anyway. Alright, just wanted to cut down the lights really quick and show you what this looks like in the dark. You can see the alcohol coming through, burning. And we are at 2 minutes and 15 seconds. And hopefully this overhead light should shut off here in a minute and we can see the flame in total darkness here. Okay, so now we're in total darkness and you can see those flames rising from the holes in the windscreen there. We are now at 6 minutes and 5 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the light and we'll see how this water is boiling in here, or if it's gotten to that point yet. Alright, we're at 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Have not gotten a boil yet. Definitely bubbles in the bottom, but not coming to a boil quite yet. Alright, we're at 8.5 minutes now. We do have bubbles coming to the surface. Would Wouldn't call that a full rolling boil quite yet. 9 minutes. I would probably call that a boil. It's not totally rolling yet. We're at 1057. And that little alcohol stove on 1 ounce of denatured alcohol is still burning. And I would definitely call that a boil. At 11:12. So definitely not the speediest thing to bring 2 cups of water to a boil, but considering the lightweight, packable nature and cheap fuel option of a homemade alcohol stove made out of a can, I'd say you're doing pretty good. I mean, we're at 11.5 minutes and that stove is still cooking. So, let me zoom back and you can still see that flame right under there. It's still going. 11 minutes and 50 seconds. So now again, just with the fuel bottles that I had in there, you're looking at another 4 ounces of fuel without that. Okay, there it goes. 12:45. So that thing boiled for good, a minute and a half, 2 minutes, I guess. Probably would have been a little longer if we would have gotten right to it and not botched putting the penny on in the beginning. But anyhow, the extra fuel that we have here would constitute, another 4 runs on this stove, considering that's another 4 ounces of fuel. And you could even fit more fuel, honestly, within this thing when you're storing it to take with you. So there you go. This has been an ITS Tactical video on the homemade do-it-yourself alcohol stove. Be sure to leave any questions or comments in the article. And remember that members get an exclusive video on how exactly we made this, step-by-step instructions. So be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching.